Right, we're MTS Cleansing Services. We've been going since 1986. I'm one of the family members. My name is Alan Cross Jr. I work alongside my dad, my uncle. It's a lovely family to work for. We've started with one lorry and we've now got what you can see behind us, along with 7 other depots. And we've started here with battery storage facility. We've started with the battery storage facility because we feel that we need to give something back to the environment, obviously reduce our carbon footprint, move forward with obviously electric vehicles. So we've got about 20 electric vehicles on the fleet now, and we've got about 20 EV chargers outside, all powered by the battery storage. It's good because it helps us as a business keep going and gives us sort of confidence that if was something to happen, we would always have battery power here. In turn, helps our customers really, because we can just keep rolling, keep the wheels of industry turning. Obviously working with Harvest Green, obviously with this whole network of what we've got here now, it's been sort of easy from start to finish. They've been there, they've answered any questions that we were unsure of. Obviously we know now how to do it. Myself will be looking after the unit in giving the readings to the electric company. And overall, obviously as a business, it's good for us because it gives us some money back, obviously from the network, from the electric company itself. As MTS as a business, we are a drainage company, obviously serving our community with our range of different vehicles that we have here. We've got jetting units such as super suckers, the smaller units of the combos. We've got tankering. We've additionally got CCTV, which would obviously camera the line, make sure that everything is running smoothly. If it isn't, obviously it needs to be sucked out. We've got the tankering to be able to do that. We've now added also lining vehicles to our fleet. They obviously look after if there is any problems with it, we can get in and possibly do it without any dig-ups, which does save the client money. My department, such as the stores, here we look after all of the depots, sort of PPE and consumable needs, which if we had to sub out would cost us just a horrendous amount of money. So we've got it all in-house. We have a workshop department that looks after managing all our fleet here. We have a range of obviously just smaller support vehicles that will obviously get our crews to where they need to be at a flash. We're a 24/7 company, obviously just keep running constantly, even like sort of Christmas Day. We continue to support our customers 24/7. We have crews on call, so any emergencies, any problems, we are there and on hand. And as I say, with having this facility here to be able to do that, with the help of Harvest Green, obviously just keep us rolling really. It's just been an easy format to get it all sorted and in place.
Hi. I'm James from Harvest Green Developments. We're here at MTS Cleansing Services Limited, and for them we have installed a solar PV system and a commercial battery storage system. We have installed 433 kilowatts of solar panels connected up to 4 Solis 100K Pro inverters. We've also installed a Soundon WEnergy battery storage system. That is a 229 kilowatt hour battery storage system with a 100 kilowatt inverter. We worked with UK Power Networks to manage the 200 kilowatt export limit on this site. For that, we put in a custom export limitation device that managed the solar PV install via the Solis inverters, as well as the Soundon WEnergy battery with its built-in 100 kilowatt inverter. We installed the solar PV system for MTS Cleansing in September 2023, and we followed that up with the battery storage system in January of 2024. The battery storage system is managing the excess generation from the solar PV system, feeding that into the battery storage system so that it can be retained to use later on in the evening and overnight. The battery storage system is configured to take excess solar from the solar PV array, store it, to be then used locally on site into the evening and overnight. The battery storage system is also configured to work across the winter period when excess solar is low by charging on an off-peak tariff overnight to then be able to be deployed against the peak tariff during the day. The battery storage system is also configured to work in the event of a power cut. Given its black start capability, the battery storage system will enable the power into a critical power supply board that will allow power to be able to feed throughout the site to provide power to critical circuits such as lighting and the server on site. Since September 2023, when the solar PV went live, the system has generated over 300,000 kilowatt hours of clean, green, renewable energy. Coupled with the battery storage system to operate in the event of a power cut and also manage that excess solar, we've got a really good solution here for MTS Cleansing Services. The solar PV system comprises of Trina solar modules, Solis inverters, and anti-solar mounting kit from Rubicon. MTS Cleansing Services have been a fantastic client over the past couple of years, and we look forward to showing off how the solar PV system and the battery storage system can work for them to reduce their energy imports and improve the sustainability of this site. We have calculated that based around the solar PV system's operations, that this site now is carbon neutral.